We're going to open T-Launcher right here. I want to show you how to make the realistic elevator in Minecraft. The realistic elevator. Right, let's go into the game. Come on, come on, come on, come on. How long does it go to? Okay. Enter the game. So what's doing? It's FML progress. Let's wait for a second. Ah, there is the Minecraft. Up, it's not responding. What is going on? Oh my god, close the program. Ah, the error! That's so sad. Let's close this. Into the game. What is it? What is it? It's doing its FML progress. Ah, there is the Minecraft logo. It's loading, 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 loading. It's loading. So, well, it's trying. Okay. We're back. Reading world data. Reading world data. Yeah, that's one of my favorites. It's one of my favorites. You know, 100%. Okay. I'm going to show you how to make a realistic elevator in Minecraft Pocket Edition, Java Edition, and Windows 10 Edition, whatever you want to call it. So I'm going to show you. So you do 3 like this and 5 like this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And after that, 1, 2, and then same thing as well. And then dig out these blocks. So 1, that's 1, 2. And the last one. 3 layers and we have 4 deep. Come at the front here and right in the center, place a sticky piston. Right here, block, and not here, obsidian here. Place 2 slime blocks, observer here, a sticky piston here, 2 slime blocks. At the bottom, we place another observer here. Oops. I shouldn't break that for a sec. Now we have to place an observer here, sticky piston here. So it should look like this. After that, we have to place a block here, a block there with the redstone block, redstone dust. On top of that, we have to place a block here. Make sure you crouch, and then right click, and then make yours here and right there, and then 2 more slime here, and then you have to cover all of this up, and the top has to be here, and the stone in here. And to make this how high as I want, I'll make it 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have to go to the right, and this is our platform here, and we can get rid of that. Then make the platform bigger, and then go down. Okay, so we have to place 1, 2, 3, 4, and the other side as well. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 here, 1 block here, and on the back we place an obsidian here, a block there with 2 redstone dust, and oh my god, I need a piston. And non-sticky piston, really normal non-sticky piston here. Another redstone here. Another one here. Oh, it's getting dark. And then place our button here. And that's pretty much it. And if we go inside here and we press the see, and then oh god, how are we getting? Okay, so place the button here. I guess we have to move that a little bit, and then place it here. And that is it. And then place your button here. And then go up again. And then go down. And there we go. That's it for the video. Bye! This is Axel DRP signing out.